What is muesli? Muesli is a fiber and protein-rich breakfast option based on raw oatmeal and various other breakfast ingredients. Muesli, a dry grain obtained from oats, nuts, fruit and wheat flakes, has become indispensable especially for breakfasts, since it can be consumed in various combinations. Consider the cereals, fresh or dried fruits, seeds and nuts that the muesli contains. Filled with a variety of vitamins, iron and magnesium, this mixture can be mixed with milk, soy, almond or cow milk, yogurt or juice and left in the refrigerator overnight. What are the benefits of the muesli? Muesli is often mixed with granola, but muesli is a more natural option with less sugar, making it a healthier option. In short, there is no reason why you should not prefer muesli for your breakfasts. So what are the benefits of muesli? Is it possible to lose weight with muesli? The various benefits of the muesli are described below as articles. 1. Muesli is healthier than other breakfast cereals. Eating cereals and cereals containing sugar may be more delicious and therefore attractive for breakfast. However, both sugar content and different content. 2. Muesli has high fiber and whole grain content. Muesli benefits are quite contradictory. Although it is difficult to measure how much fiber is in the muesli, it is known that the whole grain and fiber content is quite good. Both foods are extremely useful for the digestive system. It regulates the digestive system of fiber and whole grain. 3. Muesli keeps you longer for longer. Fiber and whole grains not only help keep your appetite under control, but also make you feel full. It is not possible to get hungry in a short time after consuming muesli. Thus, you also limit your unnecessary calorie intake. Also, raw oats contain a high amount of resistant starch, so it takes a long time to digest the muesli. Therefore, muesli is extremely satisfying. Due to the breakdown of resistant starch in your stomach, digestive acids that suppress your appetite are released and your metabolism speeds up, so you burn more calories in less time. 4. Muesli is beneficial for heart health. Muesli contains oat fiber called beta-glucan. According to studies, beta-glucan can reduce cholesterol levels by up to 10%. When you eat muesli regularly, it is possible to greatly improve your heart health. You can also add lemon juice to your mixture if you want to get the maximum benefit. Because adding vitamin C can help you lower your cholesterol and further increase your heart health. 5. Eat more muesli by eating muesli. In fact, like a steak overnight. 6. It is more satisfying with muesli. Dieting with muesli is possible because it can do more than lower your beta-glucan cholesterol in its content. You can improve the properties of the products you cook, such as thickening ability, texture and appearance, by adding beta-glucan to cakes, pasta and noodles you make at home. Studies have found that besides contributing to the properties and nutritional value of a product, beta-glucan can improve the flavor of some products. 7. Muesli can get you more protein. While the musk contains nuts, protein and omega-3 fatty acids, other foods such as fruits can provide potassium, fiber, vitamin E, vitamin C, vitamin B12 and more. Also, adding almond milk, soy milk, or yogurt to your oats is another way to get more protein. Basically, you can get almost all the nutrients you need for a good start to the day with a fruit muesli mixture. 8. Muesli prevents you from consuming unhealthy foods. By consuming muesli for breakfast, you will have taken a very good step for your health. Because you can avoid sugar-filled breakfast foods that can cause you to make belly. Also more you. When to eat muesli? Muesli is a very popular food to consume at breakfast and is considered by many to be the key to an excellent breakfast. It consists of a mixture of foods such as oats, corn flakes, dried fruits, fresh fruit, milk and wheat flakes. Although muesli is consumed at breakfasts, there is of course no specific rule for this. You can consume muesli at any time, add the ingredients you want or remove the ones you don't want. The main reasons that make muesli an excellent nutrient are its high protein and fiber content. It also maintains your energy level because it is rich in carbohydrates and keeps you full for a long time. You can easily consume this nutritious and very useful meal for lunch or dinner besides breakfast. Muesli for breakfast. Since breakfast is the first meal of the day, you should focus on eating enough and balanced. Your breakfast should be rich in carbohydrate and fiber content, which will help your metabolism work. In addition, it must meet your needs in terms of proteins and minerals that are necessary for the repair of the body. Fresh fruits such as strawberries, blueberries, bananas and oats. Cooking muesli for lunch. If you are following a weight loss diet and trying to eat less, you should make the most of the foods you eat. This is why muesli can be your favorite dish. As with breakfast, lunch should include all essential nutrients. This time period is the hours when the sun is at the top and strongest, so you tend to feel lethargy at noon. For the rest of the day, you need to consume the right foods to keep your energy level high. It is recommended that you do not eat junk food or spicy foods for lunch, as it may negatively affect the rest of your day. Consuming oat muesli for lunch keeps you active and energetic for a long time. It also provides the nutrients you need, such as protein, fiber, carbohydrate, and omega-3 fatty acids. Muesli is also known as a diabetes-friendly food. It helps control cholesterol levels and reduces the risk of heart disease and hypertension. Muesli for dinner. You should be careful not to eat dinner too late. You may need to pay extra attention to what you consume at dinner, especially if you are concerned about weight gain. Muesli varieties can be an excellent option for dinner, because they are easy to digest and are a light meal containing all the necessary nutrients. Also, at the end of a tiring day, you can easily change the content of your muesli according to your needs. You can add fruits that are easy to digest, such as apples and pears, to your muesli.